how it looks. Let me know what you think in the comments.
When she asks you to put a cat door in the corner. Well, fuck.
Never fucking win. Why get in the shower right now? What the fuck? Bro.
On the drain, and there's no chance for any chemicals to contaminate anything. It's beautiful, yeah.
Oh, I fucked up.
Goodbye, pocket doll.
Okay, good night.
Dumb. Nope.
Can you draw a circle?
Nice.
Wanna go get one more bag with my nick.
Wanna be rich forever for my dog.
And here we go. I hope you're hungry for nothing.
Hard. Wow. Gross.
Oh my gosh, what do I do? Oh my gosh, what do I do?
Yep, the inside. Oh my gosh.
Here we go. I hope you're hungry for nothing.
Wow, buddy.
Look how quick my son will listen if I tell him we have a cupcake.
You push it. Oh, let me try. Let me try.
Gotta get back to the ranch, make sure my uncle's not cooking up deep in a chicken.
Uh-oh. Alex! Alex!
Hi, hello? Yes? Oh my god. They hit the second tower!
Oh my gosh!